Create index lines. Click on the Tools menu, select EBL and VRM. To create an index line in a simple way, activate respectively the checkbox in the Parallel Index panel. The line will be displayed with 3 handles in the chart panel. Note, the index lines will appear as they were set during the last use. They might be situated outside the displayed range. The following options are available. Center handle, to set the line's radius to the specific ship. Outer handles, to adjust the line's length. Dashed line, to set the line's bearing. To adjust the index line, click and hold the respective button, Option. Drag the line to the setting as required. To set the line's orientation, click on the Orientation drop-down menu. Select either True North or Relative bearing to the specific ship. Repeat this procedure for all other index lines as required. Save index lines. Click on the Tools menu, select Pilotage. Select an existing catalogue, or right-click in the left panel of the Pilotage tab, select New Catalogue. Enter the name as desired. Press OK to apply. Select the catalogue that the index lines should be stored in. To save the previously created index lines, click on the New PI Lines button. Enter the desired name. Press OK to confirm. The file name of the index lines will be displayed accordingly. PI handling. The following options are available within the Pilotage tab. New PI lines. To create and store new index line file. Previous. To load the previous file. Load. To load a specific file. Next. To load the subsequent file. Close. To remove the currently displayed lines from the chart panel. Save. To save the changes done for the currently displayed lines. Right-click left panel. To create, delete, and rename a catalogue. Right-click right panel. Additional PI handling options such as deleting and renaming of the index line files. Additionally, right-click in the chart panel. Reset PI lines. To set all PIs to the default values. Pilotage. Select Edit Name of PI line to set and display a name for a selected index line. Trial Maneuver Performance. To activate, deactivate, and adjust the trial maneuver, open the Trial Maneuver window in the Targets function group. Select the Trial drop-down menu and click On. The following data will be available, which can be adjusted by using the corresponding slider.
Target setting. Click on Settings and select Targets. To activate the display of dangerous targets, activate the Dangerous Targets On checkbox. To activate the AIS automatic acquirement, activate the Auto Acquire AIS Targets checkbox. Target display. To adjust the display of targets, click on Settings and select Target. Labels for AIS, such as AIS Acquired, or the visibility of ATONs, Aids to Navigation, can be set here. Sleeping AIS targets. The display of AIS targets can be adjusted with the Targets function group in the permanent area. To set AIS targets in sleep mode, click on the Sleeping drop-down menu in the permanent area. AIS settings. To access the AIS settings, click on Settings and select AIS Settings. Click on the Transmitter drop-down menu and select either On to switch the transmitter on or Off to switch the transmitter off. Note: the transmitter should not be switched off except in justified exceptional cases. When it is switched off, the specific ship can no longer be detected as a target by other ships and cannot participate in the communication between ships equipped with AIS. The status transmitter on/off is stored by date and time in the event log and can also be called up after an accident. To adjust LR interrogation mode, click on the LR interrogation mode drop-down menu and choose either Auto or Manual, which are explained in detail below. Target list. First, activate a target manually. Click on the corresponding target on the chart. Double-click in order to display the detailed data of a target. In addition, click on Tools and select Target List. All acquired and all activated targets can be found in this list. The list can be adjusted according to different target status. In the target list, all entries can be sorted according to the columns by clicking on the column Topic. Additionally, the following information can be shown by clicking on the corresponding checkbox. All targets. Acquired. AIS SARTs. ATONs. Target Fusion. To set the Target Fusion parameter, click on Settings and select Target Fusion. Channel Management. To access the channel management, click on Settings. Select Channel Management. A channel management window appears. The AIS system uses two VHF radio channels for data exchange between vessels and AIS base stations. They are set by default. The correct selection and setting of channels depends on the zone your ship is sailing in, and is done automatically by the AIS transponder system. It is important to keep these settings as they are. because the AIS system cannot function unless all AIS transponders communicate on the same VHF channels and with the correct bandwidth. Guard Zone. Guard zones are able to automatically acquire targets in their area. The area is defined by the user. To set the guard zone for targets, click on Settings and select Guard Zone. To activate Zone 1, activate the Zone 1 checkbox. To activate Zone 2, activate the Zone 2 checkbox. Note: this function applies to AIS and ARPA targets.
Achieve.
The AIS unit can receive up to 50 safety-related messages from other stations. If the maximum number of messages is reached, the oldest messages will be deleted automatically. New messages will generate a caution in the alarm system to alert the operator in order to view the message text in the target-related message list. A caution in the alarm system will alert the operator of new messages. New messages can be viewed in the target-related message list. To open the AIS safety messages, click on Tools and select Received Safety Message. Transmit AIS safety message. To transmit an AIS safety message, click on Tools and select Send Safety Message. Create or edit a text in the input field and open the Send drop-down menu to choose between Send to Target, Answer RX Message, or Send to All.